Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to remove this stuck broken charge port from this Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Okay, so I'm going to be using tweezers and a popsicle stick. Let me see if I can show you guys how this is done. So there's actually two little holes in here that I can line up the tweezers with. So let me actually get that in. Okay, so as you can see, I can get this into this hole here. All right, and once we got that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the popsicle stick here, and I'm going to push this all the way down. This causes the tweezers to pull outwards and allows it to grip into those holes. So what I'm going to do is I twist this as I kind of slowly pull, and then once I get it slightly up, I'm going to move the popsicle stick further down. Okay, hopefully you guys can see. Continue twisting and pull. As you can see, the thing actually came out slightly, but not completely. So I'm going to try and do this again. Get this popsicle stick back in. Continue rotating as I lift. And there we go. We got this out. Also, if you noticed, I did put a little super glue on the outside, which kind of roughened the edges a little bit. But you want to be very careful not to get super glue on the inside, because if you get super glue on the inside, that will cause it to glue itself into that little metal post in the center. Okay. But it took a while. I finally figured out, and I was able to get that out. Now I just have to get all the super glue off my tweezers, but as you can see, it worked. All right, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.